Today we're going to make a lovely salad of lamb with some mango, red onion and chilli, and we're going to finish it off with a little bit of mint. So we're going to use again the Northern Ireland farm quality assured lamb leg steaks, and remember to always look out for this logo in the supermarket or in your local butcher's. So a little bit of olive oil, tiny little drizzle over the top of the steaks, and some black pepper and a little bit of salt. And we'll just rub the olive oil and the salt and pepper into each of the steaks. So with a bit of luck, our pan will be nice and hot. You want it almost smoking. You can hear that sizzle already. I've got a garlic clove, and I'm just going to rub it over the top of the lamb steaks while they're starting to cook. While the steaks are cooking, I'll show you what to do with a mango. So what I do is I top and tail it, and that way you can control the mango then. So just sit it upright and use a sharp knife and start at the top of the mango and work the whole way down just to remove that thin layer of skin. And you just use one hand to turn the mango as you're slicing the skin off. Okay, I'm just going to turn the steaks. You can see that lovely colour. Almost started to caramelise, and the smell is so good. So back to the mango. The stone runs right down the middle, so if you push your knife into the mango just shy of the middle of the piece of fruit and turn it round, do exactly the same thing. And that's the stone. That whole piece is useless, so we just have to discard it. Okay. Have another look at the lamb. We just turn it once more. We give them about a minute on either side now. So, what I do now is very simply cut this mango into slices. Turn the steaks for the last time. I like these quite medium. Remove the lamb steaks to a plate. Cover with some tin foil to keep warm, and you must allow these to rest. So while the lamb's resting, then we'll carry on and make the rest of our salad. I have some spinach leaves mixed with a bit of watercress and some rocket. So we just throw the rest of the ingredients into this salad. Mango slices. And to that I'm going to add some red onion. So just cut it in half and then run the knife down through it as thinly as you can. So just add that in. And then for that little bit of kick at the end, I'm going to use some fresh red chilli. So I've got a medium-sized chilli, which hasn't got too much heat. The smaller the chilli is, the hotter it is, remember that. So a very fine slice of the red chilli pepper. I think that's probably enough. So make sure your salad's really well mixed before we add the dressing. And the salad dressing is very, very simple. What I have done here is I've melted or dissolved 25 grams of brown sugar with the juice and zest of a lime. That's the basis of the dressing. And to that I'm just going to add some olive oil. Whoops. And to that I'm going to add some fresh mint, lovely fresh mint, and some coriander leaves. Coriander and mint work so well with lamb. They're almost best friends. So just scrunch the herbs up into a ball and using the bottom half of the knife, just rock it back and forth. And cut your way through the herbs. I think that should be enough. Straight into the dressing and give it a mix. And that's it. Very, very simple. Steaks have rested, they're nice and tender. I'm just going to cut them into strips. They're just a tiny little bit pink in the centre. That's the way that I like them. If you want to cook the lamb for a little bit longer, just give them another minute on either side. So I'm just going to pile some of this lovely salad up on into the middle of the plate. Colours are great. Yellows, purples, greens, reds. Beautiful. And then I'll just arrange a few pieces of the lamb on top of the salad. Oops. Drizzle some of the dressing over the top. And finish it off with a fresh coriander leaf. So that's our lamb salad with mango, chilli and mint. Thank you for watching, and check out some of the other delicious recipes on this website.